New Year's visit to a shrine. We Japanese call the first visit to the shrines or temples Hatsumu and do it as a tradition. Put money in the offertory box and pray for good health for the year. It is better to purify the money to be donated to God first. When I polished my coins, they became shiny. Dedicate sake to the shrine. There is a place to display ima in the precincts of the shrine. Worshippers write pictures and wishes on votive plaques they have purchased. There are food stalls around the shrine, and shopping and eating are one of the pleasures.